Today I'm going to review the Ruko F11 GIM2 drone that a lot of content creators have been using in their videos lately. And if you're not using a drone yet, you're less technologically advanced than this monkey. I'll start with a quick unboxing, go through the specs, get a ton of shots, and then tell you my thoughts on it. By the way, if by the end of this video you think this is the drone for you, head on down to the link in my description and use the code 𝐂𝐚𝐦𝐶ONCEPTS for 10% off of your purchase. I finished the Twin Creeks remodel quite some time ago, but never actually got video and picture of what that beauty really has to offer. The cabin is located just a few feet away from rushing streams on both sides of the property. A true one-of-a-kind type of place, and so I hope to capture that using this F11 drone here. I also have the 𝐈11 drone by Ruko here, and I'll be reviewing this in a future video and shooting some shots of the lakeside bungalow remodel I just finished up. But let's get into reviewing this one. Smells new. We've got the drone, the extra battery, the controller, 2 USB-C cables, some extra blades, your manual, and a quick start guide, along with the case itself. The drone is compact, weighs just over 1 pound, and looks great, so it'll be a perfect fit for my filming tool belt. Time to run through what this baby can do. The technology in this thing is really as good as it gets. Maybe the most important feature for recording here is the 4K camera with the 2-axis gimbal. This should allow for extremely smooth footage shot at that crisp 4K quality. To pair with the premium video, you are able to transmit video to your phone almost 2 miles away. It comes with 2 batteries that provide a total flight time of 56 minutes. And again, it only weighs 1 pound. And of course has all of your most common features like GPS for auto return for when the battery is dying, follow me mode which can track you, and waypoints where you can digitally set locations for your drone to travel to. Some things not really mentioned on this product information is the battery life prompt, the USB-C plugin, and other cool digital interface stuff like miles per hour and height. Enough talking about the drone, let's get out there and fly it. Something important you need to do before you take this out obviously is have charged batteries. I'm not sure if you could see, but there is 1 or 2 LEDs flashing right here. It's almost dead. So is the one that it's installed with, so I will need to charge this with the provided USB-C cables. Or if you have an Android phone, just use that cable. You just plug it in right here. My take on this product is that I am very excited to have a new tool for my content on this channel. It was extremely windy on the mountain and there's a lot of tree coverage there, so I didn't get to fly this around quite as much as I would like to until I get more comfortable with it. Something I should mention is that the recording quality that streams directly to your phone is going to be based off the Wi-Fi signal between the drone and your phone, so I highly recommend getting a micro SD card that you insert into your drone for that onboard recording and that crisp 4K quality look. The video quality was as good as advertised, it was pretty easy to start up, and there's several features to explore. Beech Mountain is known for their strong gust of wind, but this held up really well, although I did keep it lower to the ground. And again, the startup is pretty simple. The app actually guides you step by step on how to get this thing going. And the controller fits nicely in your hand and is great quality. With a lakeside fire pit build coming soon, some landscape lighting, and other type of projects, my next real estate videos are going to be top notch. While I'm mainly going to be using this for my YouTube content creation and maybe some of the virtual tours for real estate, there are so many uses for it. From roof inspections to viewing crops, group videos, hiking, and even racing. Well, you probably can't do that kind of racing with this, but all of those other things can be done using this single tool. Again, a ton of videos are going to be created using this tool, so hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of those. I'm giving this 5 stars and I'll be checking out their other 𝐕𝐢11 drone here soon. Use the code 𝐂𝐚𝐦𝐞𝐫𝐚 to get 10% off of your purchase. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.